So let's do few more operations using Python. So just like we did this, we could have also done print A cross B. So you can, this is a cross symbol. Now when you do this, it's doing 3 into 2, which you are going to get 6. So this symbol, as I said, is a cross symbol, multiply symbol. Similarly, I can also say print A divided by B, and notice that you are going to get 1.5. Now let's say you want to do 3 square, okay, 3 square, which is going to give you 9. So this is called as exponent in maths. How can we do exponent in your Python? Just like this cross is for multiplication, if you put double cross, it means exponent. Okay, so let's do that. So what we can do here, we can say print A double cross B, and you can see that we got 3 square, which is a 9. Now there's one more interesting thing. Let's say I want to add a new cell after this 18, okay, where I just showed you this division part. You can either click on this plus like I told you, or you can also, means you have to bring the cursor definitely from on this cell first, and also you can do alt enter. Okay, so I'm talking about alt plus enter. So it will execute and also open a new cell. So these are some shortcuts which you can keep in mind. I will keep on telling you all the shortcuts during the whole part. Now let me show you something interesting. If I say A double divided by B, what does this mean now? When I did A divided by B, I got 1.5. But now when I'm doing A double divided by B, what's going to happen? Look at this output. I got only 1. Notice that we are nowhere getting this 0.5 anymore. So it returns the floor value of it. Okay. So it will remove the decimal value if you use double symbol. So it will not show you any decimal outputs coming out of it. Now, so we understood some basic operations. Let's see one or two more, and then I will tell you like if you want to perform some more complex operations. So let's say I have A is equal to 11, B is equal to 3. And what I want to do, I want to print now the remainder of it. What I mean by that, let's say if I say 3 divided by 11, so it's gonna be 3, 9, and I will get 2 as a remainder. So I want to get this 2. How can I get that? So in order to get this 2, I can simply, there's a modulo operator in Python. So you can say print A modulo B, and you can notice that you will get 2. Right? That's what I explained is expected out of it. Let me add some complex operation. Let's say I will say A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4. Now in this case, if I want to perform some complex operation, like let's say I say print, and I would say here A plus B into C. Think about it, what should be the output as per you. Think about it. So as per the BODMAS rule, it will go and give you the output. So the multiplication have the higher precedence over the addition. So it will do B into C first. So I will get 3 into 4, 12. Okay. So I will get 3 into 4, which is 12. And then it will do 2 plus 12, which is 14. Right? So let's see whether we are going to get exactly the same output or not. So you can see I got 14. So if you want to tackle this situation in a better way, you can say you use brackets just the way it is being taught in maths. So we can say A plus B cross C, and you can see that we got 20. So in this case, what happened? It did 2 plus 3, which is 5. So it did 2 plus 3 into 5. So sorry. So 2 plus 3 into 4, right? C is 4. 5 into 4, which is 20. Okay. So that is the way you can actually go ahead and create out your part. So you can see that here even we are computing the complex operations by combining more than 2 or 3 variables. So that's something which is achievable by either it will by default go with the BODMAS rule, or you can just give the brackets if you want in some other way as well.